Hi, in this exercise, we're going to play observers and practice our perceptiveness together with the children. What do we need? First, a few bricks, platforms, gears, and a few cylinders too, and some connectors. Then, we build a simple construction out of all of these things. Next, we give it to the child so that they can analyze it from each side to see in what configuration or sequence the blocks are arranged. Now we ask the child to cover their eyes or look away, and then we change the arrangement of our blocks. We'll start with a simple change, then ask the child to look back at our construction and find a difference. Something changed? Which blocks did we move? In this case, we moved these two blocks. Of course, we start with a simple change and then add platforms and increase the number of elements. You can start with just one change, then maybe 2 or 3. Good luck! Bye for now!